Namaskaram everyone, this is the third video of the first episode and here is the quiz, daily quiz and this is the first question of the third video. अगर आपने सेकेंड और फर्स्ट वीडियो नहीं देखा है तो वीडियो ज़रूर देखें और संडे को एग्ज़ाम ज़रूर दे दीजिए। वहाँ पर आपको एग्ज़ाम देने के बाद आपका रिजल्ट भी आ जाएगा, फिर आपको गिफ्ट्स भी मिल जाएंगे उसके। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु वाज द फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया? डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद, डॉक्टर एस राधाकृष्णन, जवाहरलाल नेहरू या महात्मा गांधी? फ्रॉम दिस ऑप्शन विच इज द करेक्ट आंसर? यू हैव टू आंसर इट। Answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The next question, which planet is known as the red planet? And the options are Venus, Jupiter, Mars and Saturn. Which planet is known as the red planet? Answer is Mars. The next question, which is called the father of, who is called the father of the nation in India? Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh? The answer is Mahatma Gandhi. What is the national animal of India? Lion, tiger, elephant या पीकॉक? नेशनल एनिमल आंसर इज टाइगर। विच इज द स्मॉलेस्ट कॉन्टिनेंट इन द वर्ल्ड? यूरोप, ऑप्शंस आर यूरोप, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, अंटार्कटिका या साउथ अमेरिका? एंड द आंसर इज ऑस्ट्रेलिया। द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, Who invented the telephone? किसने इस टेलीफोन का आविष्कार किया है? थॉमस एडिसन, अलेक्जेंडर ग्राहम बेल, निकोला टेस्ला, गुग्लिएमो मार्कोनी? Who is that scientist who have invented this telephone? And the answer is Alexander Graham Bell. The next question, which river is called the sorrow of Bihar? Sorrow of Bihar किस रिवर को कहा जाता है? गंगा, यमुना, कोसी या ब्रह्मपुत्र? And the answer is Kosi. The river Kosi is called the sorrow of Bihar. Is it correct? If it's correct, then let me know in the comment. Okay. The next question, which Mughal emperor built the Taj Mahal? Akbar, Shahjahan, Aurangzeb या हुमायूं? किसने बिल्ड किया था ताजमहल? शाहजहां। The next question, what is the chemical symbol of gold? Chemical symbol of gold, and the options are here, and the answer is AU is the answer. The next question, who wrote the Indian national anthem Jana Gana Mana? Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, Rabindranath Tagore, Sarojini Naidu, Subramanya Bharati? Who wrote national anthem? And the answer is Rabindranath Tagore. In which year did India get independence? And the options are 1945, 1946, 1947 and 1948. And the answer is 1947. Which state is known as the land of five rivers? कौन से स्टेट को कहा जाता है लैंड ऑफ 5 रिवर्स? किस स्टेट में 5 रिवर्स है? पंजाब, हरियाणा, राजस्थान या बिहार? एंड ऑप्शन, फ्रॉम दैट ऑप्शन here is the answer, Punjab. Who was the first woman prime minister of India? First woman prime minister of India. Indira Gandhi, Sarojini Naidu, Sonia Gandhi, Pratibha Patil. Who is the first woman? Who was the first woman prime minister of India? And the answer is Indira Gandhi. Which is the longest river in the world? Nile, Amazon, Ganga या Mississippi? From this option you have to choose, and the answer is Nile. What is the capital of Australia? Capital of Australia क्या है? उसकी राजधानी क्या है ऑस्ट्रेलिया की? सिडनी, मेलबोर्न, कैनबेरा या पर्थ? And the answer is Canberra. The next question. Who was the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize? And the options are C.V. Raman, Rabindranath Tagore, Amartya Sen या Mother Teresa? And the answer is Rabindranath Tagore, who have written Gitanjali. And for that book he has got the Nobel Prize. He got the Nobel Prize in literature, the first person to get the Nobel Prize from whole Asia. The next question. Which vitamin is produced in the body with the help of sunlight? I repeat, which vitamin is produced in the body with the help of sunlight? Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C या vitamin D? And the answer is vitamin D. And the next question. Which Indian festival is known as the Festival of Lights? Holi, Diwali, Dussehra या Pongal? And the answer is Diwali. And the next question. Who was the first man to step on the moon? पहला इंसान जो मून के ऊपर गया था, फर्स्ट स्टेप्स उसने लिए थे ऑन मून. नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग, यूरी गैगारिन, माइकल कोलिंस, बुज एल्ड्रिन? एंड द आंसर इज नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. What is the currency of Japan? जापान की करेंसी क्या है? डॉलर, येन, yuan या won? And the answer is yen. Next question. Who is known as the missile man of India? Missile man of India किसे कहते हैं? होमी जे बाबा, विक्रम साराभाई, एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम या सतीश धवन? Missile man of India, APJ Abdul Kalam. The next question. Which gas is used by plants for photosynthesis? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen या hydrogen? कौन सी गैस यूज करते हैं plants for photosynthesis? And the answer is carbon dioxide. The next question. Which is the largest state of India by area? Largest state by area. And the options are Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra या Madhya Pradesh? And the answer is Rajasthan, largest state by area. And here is the N missing. Okay. Which freedom fighter is known as Netaji? Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, लाला लजपत राय या चित्तरंजन दास? नेताजी किसे कहते हैं? सुभाष चंद्र बोस. नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस. The next question. Who was the first Indian woman to go to space? पहली महिला भारतीय जिसने स्पेस में कदम रखा था। सुनीता विलियम्स, कल्पना चावला, इंदिरा गांधी, टेसी थॉमस। Who is that person? Kalpana Chawla. The next question: which city is known as the Pink City of India? This question has covered in the before video that we have made in the second video, I guess. In the second video we have that this question, and those who have seen this that video will give this question's answer very well. And the options are Jaipur, Jodhpur, उदयपुर या बीकानेर। किस सिटी को कहा जाता है पिंक सिटी ऑफ इंडिया? एंड द आंसर इज जयपुर। एंड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन: which organ in the human body purifies blood? Heart, liver, kidneys या lungs? And the answer is kidneys. And the next question: who discovered the law of gravitation? किसने डिस्कवर किया था law of gravitation? Albert Einstein, Galileo Galilei, Sir Isaac Newton, Johannes Kepler. Who was that scientist discovered the law of gravitation? And the answer is Sir Isaac Newton. The next question: which sport is Sachin Tendulkar famous for? And the options are hockey, cricket, football या badminton. And the answer is cricket. And he has got the Bharat Ratna for his game. Which is the national flower of India? Rose, lotus, jasmine, sunflower. Which is the national flower of India? Lotus. The next question: who is the current president of India? Ramnath Kovind, Pratibha Patil, Draupadi Murmu, Venkaiah Naidu. And the answer is Draupadi Murmu. The next question: which country won the ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2024? Australia, India, England या पाकिस्तान? किसने जीता था ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2024? And the answer is India. And the next question: who is the current Prime Minister of India? No, sorry. Who is the current Prime Minister of the United Kingdom? Rishi Sunak, Boris Johnson, Keir Starmer, Theresa May. And the answer is Keir Starmer. Keir Starmer is the current Prime Minister of United Kingdom. Which Indian state was declared the country's first green hydrogen hub? Nile, Amazon, Ganga या Mississippi? Which Indian state was declared the country's first green hydrogen hub? Options are Nile, Amazon, Ganga या Mississippi. And the answer is Kerala. How is it possible? This is the wrong question and the wrong answer. Just be connected with this video and I guess everything will be fine. And these questions will be asked in the video. In the sorry. This kind of questions, the wrong questions, wrong answers will be there, but this kind of questions and answers will be there, but it is for checking your attention. So just be tuned and और संडे को जब एग्जाम होगी ना तब बस पूरा वीडियो देखना और पूरा वीडियो देखकर संडे को बस एग्जाम देने के बाद मतलब ये जो मिस्टेक्स होते हैं ना वो मिस्टेक्स किसके लिए होते हैं जो वीडियोस नहीं देखते उसके लिए होते हैं। तो अगर आप ChatGPT पर देखेंगे और सॉल्व करोगे तो उसका मतलब नहीं होगा। तो अगर इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस आपको पूछेंगे हम संडे तो आपको क्या करना है उसका आंसर बताना है। which question was wrong I will ask। okay, this was 34th question and this was the wrong question and wrong answer। okay, and the next question, who was the current chief minister of Maharashtra? current chief minister कौन है? एकनाथ शिंदे, उद्धव ठाकरे, देवेंद्र फडणवीस या अजित पवार? कौन करंट चीफ मिनिस्टर currently who is the chief minister of Maharashtra? and the answer is Eknath Shinde। and the next question, which country hosted the 2024 Summer Olympics? France, USA, Japan या China? and the answer is France, Paris 2024। okay, the next question, who is the current UN Secretary General of who is the current UN Secretary General? and the options are Ban Ki-moon, Antonio Guterres, Kofi Annan, Jens Stoltenberg. who is the current UN Secretary General? and the answer is Antonio Guterres। and the next question, which Indian city is a strong candidate to host the 2036 Olympics? which Indian city is a strong candidate to host the 2036 Olympics? and the options are Delhi, Mumbai, Ahmedabad या Bengaluru? and the answer is Ahmedabad। and the next question, who is the current Vice President of India? M. Venkaiah Naidu, Jagdeep Dhankar, Hamid Ansari, Rajnath Singh? and the answer is Jagdeep Dhankar। and Jagdeep Dhankar just recently he have resigned from the post of Vice President. So the current Vice President is the different person. So you have to comment for that person. Who is that person? Who is the current Prime Minister? Who is the current Vice President of India? You have to comment. Okay. And Jagdeep Dhankar is the former Vice President of India. Okay. Which team won IPL 2024? Chennai Super Kings, Kolkata Knight Riders, Gujarat Titans, Mumbai Indians? तो आंसर है कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स। And the next question, who won the 2024 Nobel Peace Prize? Nargis Mohammadi, Volodymyr Zelensky, Greta Thunberg, World Food Program? कैसे ऑप्शंस है? Nobel Peace Prize, Nargis Mohammadi got the prize. Nobel Peace Prize in 2024 got to Nargis Mohammadi. And the next question, who is the current Finance Minister of India? Nirmala Sitharaman, Piyush Goyal, Arun Jaitley या Amit Shah? And the answer is Nirmala Sitharaman, current Finance Minister of India. Next question, which Indian movie won an Oscar in 2024? Kantara, Triple R. The elephant whisperers all that breathes. And the option is the elephant whispers. The next question. What is the name of ISRO's mission to study the sun? Chandrayaan 3, Aditya L1, Mangalyaan, या Shukrayaan. And the answer is Aditya L1. The next question. Who is the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX? Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, Sundar Pichai, या Bill Gates. And the answer is Elon Musk. Which state launched the Ladli Behan Yojana? Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar या Rajasthan? And the answer is Madhya Pradesh. Which Indian cricketer retired from T20 internationals after World Cup 2024? Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli, MS Dhoni, R. Ashwin. And the answer is Virat Kohli. And the next question. Who is the current Education Minister of India? Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, Dharmendra Pradhan, Smriti Irani, Prakash Javadekar. And the current Education Minister of India is Dharmendra Pradhan. And the next question. Which country is India's Chandrayaan 3 moon landing success most compared? With which country is India's Chandrayaan 3 moon landing success most compared? USA, Russia, China, or Japan? And the answer is China. And the next question. Which Indian state is famous for the Konark Sun Temple? Odisha, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, or Karnataka? The next question. Sorry, we have to go with the answer also. So the answer of this 50th question is Odisha. And here we end the session. So just subscribe the channel and be with the Academic Explorer. And thank you. अगर कुछ मिस्टेक्स हुआ है इस वीडियो में तो आप डिस्क्रिप्शन में मैं तो आपको वो मिस्टेक्स बताऊंगा, बट आप मुझे कमेंट में बताइएगा कि कौन से क्वेश्चन का कौन सा आंसर गलत हुआ था, और ट्राई टू correct it. And we will be live tomorrow at 6 p.m. for the correction of the question and answers. So just be tuned with the Academic Explorer, and let's see you tomorrow at 6 p.m.